Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our number 3 class for the amc8 contest. And I hope you enjoy the 2 days class so far. And today we're going to take a look at another test question. So today we're going to learn amc8 2019 problem 19. Okay, I think it's 2019 or 2018. I kind of not very sure about that, but I thought it's 2019. But let's take a look at this one. So in a sign pyramid, a cell gets a plus if the two cells below it have the same sign, and it gets a negative if the two cells below it have different signs. The diagram below illustrated a sign pyramid with 4 levels. Okay, so obviously it is a question that is contains about something we're very familiar with, because when 2 plus combine together equals plus, when 2 negative combines together equals negative. But when you're having one negative, one positive, it is always equals to something different, right? Okay, so we are going to take a look at this question. So let's think about it. In order to get the top cell being the positive, how many options we have for the next one? So we take a look at this one. So the next layer could be positive, positive, or it could be negative, negative, right? Okay, so let's just focus on positive first. So in order to make the second layer positive and positive, of course, we can have another option is negative, 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 but also we can rewrite it as what? Very good, because we actually also have another option is positive, 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 negative, 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 right? So obviously, for the first situation, we actually get 2 options. So it is, though the second layer could be positive, but actually it could be positive, 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 and negative, 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 and positive, 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 and positive, positive, positive. Okay, so let's take a look at the fourth layer. So let's take a look at the fourth layer. In order to get the fourth layer, the third layer, negative, 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 we can have positive, negative, positive, negative, right? But also we have another option as what? Is negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so let's take a look at the other option is if the third layer is or positive, we could be or negative. We can also be or positive, correct? So actually, we have 1, 2, so 1 and 2, 3, and 4. And for the positive and negative, negative, I think I don't have to do that. You will know I actually having the same option is positive, negative, positive, or we can have negative, positive, negative, right? So if we're talking about the fourth layer, of course, they have 2 options, like what? Negative, negative, positive, positive, or positive, positive, negative, negative. Or for that layer, I could be negative, positive, positive, negative, or positive, negative, negative, positive. So another 4 options. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So this question's answer is 8. But we're lucky this one only asks us a 4 layers pyramid. But what if they give you 100 layers? So are we going to do something like that? So it's going to take forever for us to solve these problems, right? But let's take a look at this one. In order to get the first layer positive, do we have some other options? We only have 2 options. It's either positive, negative, negative, or positive, positive, right? So obviously for the layer 2, there's only 2 options, correct? So let's take a look at the layer 3. So layer 3, how many options are there? So in order to make this one negative, you either have negative, negative, or positive, negative, positive. For this one, it's the same as negative, 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 or positive, positive, positive. So there are also 2 options. And in the fourth layer, let's take a look at the fourth layer. So we also have what? We have positive, negative for this one. We have positive, negative, negative, positive, right? Also, we can have negative, positive, positive, negative. So actually for the fourth layer, every layer, you also have 2 options. So how do we get 8? 2 times 2 times 2. Because every single layer, you have 2 options. So you have an easier way of doing that is 8 ways for filling and to find the 4 cells that the bottom row of the produced an A positive at the top of the pyramid. Okay, so I don't know if you realize that for these 3 days, we're always doing, looks like we're doing the same kind of questions. Okay, we're always trying to find all the options for all the questions right now. Okay, so I hope you understand those kind of questions because it is this is so-called accounting. It is very popular in amc8 questions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class and we're going to see each other tomorrow. Bye-bye.